Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative 5x squared, we put negative 9x squared plus 4x squared. Next, we can do about factorization by x squared, and we have like this one by number 4. Next, we can do about another factorization by x minus number 9. Next, we have the formula in here. So number 9, that is about 3 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can use about partial fractions. So because we have x squared in here, that means we need to use about ax plus b over x squared plus 4, because the highest power on the denominator, that is about number 2. So on numerator, that should reduce by negative number 1. That means 2 minus 1, we have x. And later that we reduce the power to number 0. The next one, we have c over x minus number 3 and d over x plus number 3. Now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about x minus number 3, x plus number 3. So ax plus b multiplied by x squared minus number 9, because this one contain about x minus number 3 and x plus number 3. About c, it is missing about this one and this one. So for this one, for c multiplied by this one and this one. Similar for d, but that is about x minus number 3. Next, we need to expand. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x to the power of 3, we have a, c, d. About x squared, we have b number 3 with c, negative number 3 with d. About x, we have negative 9, 8 for c and for d. About the numbers, we have negative 9b, 12c, negative 12d. And now I will put this one gone here. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x. we just have 10s squared. So this one equals to number 10. This one that is about the numbers equals to negative number 12. We don't have s and s to the power of 3. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we put A, B, C, D, go back in here. So we put number 0 gone here, number 4 gone here, number 1 and negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.